zone where sound disappears. In northern Mexico, there is a vast desert area locals call the Zone of Silence. The name comes from something simple and disturbing. Any communication device that enters the area stops working. Radios, mobile phones, GPS systems, even emergency signals suddenly go dead. Aircraft flying over the zone have reportedly vanished from radar for several minutes, only to reappear later as if nothing had happened. What's even stranger is what people experience on the ground. Those who enter the area often describe the same sensation, sound slowly fading away. Not just electronic noise, but footsteps, wind, even their own movements seem unnaturally quiet. Scientific teams have attempted to study the phenomenon, but their instruments recorded conflicting data. Compasses would point north, then suddenly spin without explanation. Temperature readings taken at the same time showed completely different results. In one incident, a research team disappeared for 2 full days. When they returned, they claimed they had been walking normally, unaware anything was wrong. According to them, only a few hours had passed. In reality, 48 hours were gone. To this day, there is no clear explanation. Some believe it's caused by unusual magnetic fields. Others think the answer lies beneath the ground itself. But one thing is certain, when you enter this place, the world goes quiet.